Hi, good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Repeat after me. I'm fine, thank you. Excellent. So, today I have a special friend for you. Guess what? He really loves bananas. And he always says, ooh, all the time. Yes, we're gonna say hello to Mr. Monkey. I think he's sleeping. Monkey? Monkey? Wait. Hello. I'm in the camera right now. Good morning. Okay, Monkey, how are you? Yes, fine, very fine. So guess what? Today we're gonna learn something different and something new for little kids. Do you wanna see? Yes! Okay, so today we're gonna learn two different words. Pay attention to the pictures. So here I have a banana. No, wait. This is my banana. No, Monkey, stop. Why I have this banana? Because I'm gonna show you the difference between two things. I'm gonna show you this picture of this girl. Okay, what happened with this girl? She's doing like this. Yes, very good, Monkey. This girl is touching her stomach. And why was that? Because she is hungry. And we are hungry. We eat a lot of food. So here we have apples or a banana, yogurt, and a sandwich. When you are hungry, you eat food. When you're hungry, you eat food. When you're hungry, you eat food. Now, Monkey, what happened with this boy? What happened? How is him? Oh, the boy is doing like this. Yes, Monkey, what happened with him? I think he needs to drink water, like this bottle. He needs to drink water. So when the boy is like this, he needs to drink water. This thing is thirsty. So when the boy is thirsty, you need to drink water. Thirsty, you need to drink water. So now let's see the difference between these two things. Hungry and thirsty. Hungry and thirsty. The girl is hungry, so she needs to eat food. What happened with the boy? The boy is thirsty, so he needs to drink water. Very good. Now, Monkey, your turn. Okay, when I'm very hungry, I always eat a banana. Yummy. Very good. And when you're thirsty? Oh, when I'm thirsty, I always drink water. Okay, Monkey, very good. So now you have to know the difference between hungry and between thirsty. Excellent. Don't forget. Hungry, thirsty. Hungry, thirsty. One more time. Hungry and thirsty. Very good. Very good, Monkey. We did. Yay, excellent. Now, Monkey, time to say goodbye. All right? Everybody raise your hand. Goodbye to you. I see you soon. It's time to go. Goodbye to you. I see you soon. It's time to go. I see you soon. It's time to go. Thank you. Goodbye to you.